Is your favorite thing to do with Lolo?
What?
Shot, because he made you.
What is
Ano kanyang anak at apo. I don't know, he loves me. I wanna thank you for always supporting us and being there as our guide in this life. Oh, he's a really good father. You can see it with his kids.
alright? Good job. Throwing. How do you know Lolo loves you?
3 days. My pink present.
Pink present. If
Thank you. I love you. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Okay.
Play basketball.
You.
Me. Basketball. Love. Counting to 1,000. Because he loves me. Toys!
Papa is really good at fixing things. He's utot. That you should be happy with what you have and always serve God first. Papa, thank you for being such a lovely Papa to us and for being strict and being the best Papa. And I love you so much. And thank you for working so hard for all of us.
My toy. What?
45? Yeah! Watching. Oh, my dad, he's always praying. Yes. Yeah! That's a really good question. I'm sure he'll gonna buy pagawaan ng Sunlight light. For sure. Yay! So,
bibili siya ng maraming lupa para pagpapatayuan ng mga church. Mission church.
a dog. Because sobrang masunurin niya kay mama.
Langgam.
Oh, bakit?
Kasi una yung langgam sumusunod sa queen.
Yeah.
So, lagi siyang nasunod kay Mamsi. Pangalawa, ang langgam, ano sila, masisipag, tahimik sila, pero masipag. So, ganun si Papsi. Bukod sa sumusunod siya kay Mamsi, tahimik lang siya, pero lahat ng nagagawa niya, saka masipag si Papsi.
Yung nakakaiyak. Siguro kung kunyari ipapanganak ulit ako, papapiliin ako ni God kung sinong gusto kong maging tatay, ikaw pa rin ang aking pipiliin. I love you so much, Dad. Happy Father's Day. Pero sana mayaman na agad.
Happy Father's Day po, Papsi. Thank you po sa pagsusupport niyo po sa amin, sa spiritually, pag-pray niyo sa amin, and Thank you po sa pagpapalaki ng maayos po sa mga anak niyo, lalo na po sa kay Makmak. Kasi kaya po si Makmak naging mabuting daddy dahil sa kanyang model na daddy
Yun
like
lang nga.
you.
Ayun
Happy
lang
Father's
nga.
Day!
Happy Father's Day! Happy thing to Lolo on Father's Day. What would it be? Yay! I love you, Lolo. Kiss, Lolo. Kiss, Lolo. Kiss, 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 kiss. Kiss, Lolo.
Papa is 63, I think.
62.
Pero tokwat, baboy, or kambing.
Tuna pa nga.
Muni-muni sa van.
Walking.
Okay. Bahay at lupa and ang kanyang dream cars.
A house and lot.
Aso na inaalagaan niya in the first, pero hinahayaan na for the rest.
Yung aso, yung mga big dogs.
Hi Popsy! Happy Father's Day. I wish you birthday. On this Father's Day, I honor you and thank you for raising a wonderful child like me. And thank you for loving me and treating me. And now that I'm a married woman, I will always stick by your knowledge and wisdom that you shared to me. And you have been a role model of how love should be like. I love you, Popsy, and I hope you enjoy this day of the fathers because you are the best father that anyone could ask for. And sana huwag kang masyadong matampuhin. I love you. Happy Father's Day!
Ang masasabi ko lang po kay Papa, Happy Father's Day. First of all, Happy Father's Day. And thank you for giving me your favorite child. And ayun lang po. Sana maging maayos lang po yung kalusugan niyo po lagi. Gaya ng pag-aalaga niyo sa sarili niyo po ngayon.
Happy Father's Day!